Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in fate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I'm going to be trying out Colourpop. The packaging is really cute, guys. Whenever I get their boxes, I really love their packaging because the inside is just so stinking cute. I mean, look. I'm going to be doing a look today using the Colourpop's Give It To Me Straight. Also swatching all 4 of their lipsticks that they sent as well. So real quick, I'm just gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows. I'll be right back. Okay, so now I just finished doing my eyebrows. Now we're about to pop this baby open and see what we got here in this palette. Here is the palette. On my camera, for some reason the colors are a little bit washed out, but from here you can see it has some really nice warm copper tones and some pretty mauves. It also has a couple highlight colors. It has 7 mattes, though this one is a little bit shimmery, and it has 5 metallic-y looking shades. So let me just go ahead and finger swatch some of these for you. The first shade is going to be Matter of Fact. Okay, that a little chalky, but it is a very pale pink from what I can tell. Okay, moving on. Next shade is going to be the shade Up Front, which is a metallic pale gold. And it has like a white silver reflect to it. Next shade is going to be Straight Up. Ooh, okay, that one's really pretty, and that went on really nice. That felt real buttery. I enjoyed putting that color on my wrist, or on my hand. Tugging my chain. Ooh, that went on really great. And this one, bullshit, it's a matte orangey brown. I'll clean my wrist off and then swatch the next row. Okay guys, I'm such a layman. I wasn't recording and I didn't realize until after the 3rd swatch, so I'm sorry for that. The first shade up here is Frank, which is a matte warm brown. The next shade is Candid, which is a metallic bright copper. And then the shade after that is Forthright. And Forthright is a neutral metallic rose. The last shade within that row, which is Downright. And this is a matte soft pink beige. The last row is going to be the shade Truth Hurts. And this is going to be a matte peachy beige. See that little streak right there. Next up is Be Blunt, which is a metallic rich raspberry shade. Ooh, that one's really pretty. Here we have TMI, which is a matte dusty burgundy. Then last shade is the shade Actually. This is a matte deepened brown. Okay, and those were all the shades within the palette. I'm excited to try these. I'm going to go ahead and prep my eyes with a concealer. For prepping my eyes, I'm going to be using the Crayon Case concealer. I'm going to be mixing these 2 shades right here just so I have a nice light base. Guys, I'm sad because I'm already running out of this concealer and there's like not a lot in the pan. Unfortunately, I know a little probably goes a long way and I'm kind of excessive sometimes. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to use is going to be the shade TMI, and I'm going to be using this Morphe brush. I'm not sure what brush this is, but it is a small fluffy blending brush. It doesn't have a number on it. I rubbed it off. I'm going to start by adding this color to the outer V of my lid. Ooh, okay, that went on really nice. That went really nice. Ooh, okay, I'm real excited. Okay, it's pigmented. Oh baby, it's pigmented. Yes. Okay. Bring it back. Then I'm going to blow out the color to my brow bone. You're going to want to do it in C-shaped motions. So the color is going to hug the inner socket of your eye. Okay, well that part is done. I'm going to place this color into my outer V as well, but I'm going to keep it closer to the ratios of my eye. I don't even know if that makes sense, but basically I'm not going to be blowing it out as far as the previous shade. It is so pigmented, wow. Once again, I'm going to take a clean brush and blend out that color. Taking this Real Techniques eyeshadow brush in the shade BS, I'm going to apply the color right next to the shade Actually in the center of my lid. Now with my previous brush, I'm going to blend out the edges of both shades with any leftover product. Taking a flat crayon case eyeshadow brush in the shade Matter of Fact, I'm going to apply the shade to the inner third of my lid. Now really quickly, taking NYX Cosmetics Matte Black Liquid Eyeliner, I'm going to create a wing. Taking the shades TMI and Actually, I'm going to smoke out the outer 2/3 of my lower lash line. And I'm using the Morphe M501 Pro Pointed Blender. I'm going to take the shade up front and highlight the inner corners of my eyes using a carroty flat eyeshadow brush. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to be using Covergirl's Tru Blend Matte Made Foundation. Currently my favorite and the only foundation I use at the moment. It helps minimize pores, it's not drying, and it's also transfer resistant. I also love the fact that this foundation gives me a natural matte finish. When I use other foundations, they tend to leave me looking dry. And on me, it gives me medium coverage, but it is buildable. I'm now going to use this shade as my highlight color, as I would a concealer, mainly because I don't have my shade at the moment, so this will do. And because it's a lighter application and not as heavy on my skin. Now that that's done, I'm going to use the shade D15 to contour. And to finish up my contour, I'll be using the Crayon Case Contourization Notebook. Now taking CoverGirl's Translucent Setting Powder, I'm going to set my face. I don't bake because I find it too drying, so this is what I do. I just lightly go through problematic areas that tend to get oily throughout the day. I'm going to use NYX Liquid Suede Downtown Beauty to create faux freckles. I'm going to use a small precision paintbrush to apply the faux freckles, just randomly dot it across my face, and then take my finger and dab it out. Do this repeatedly until you have as little or as many freckles as you'd like. Okay, so my initial makeup is on. Now I'm going to go ahead and try out some of these lipsticks. Here I'm using one of the lipsticks as a blush. So I just went ahead and applied the lipstick to my cheekbones, and I am blending it out with my middle finger. I'm now going to begin lining my lips with NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Pencil in Sand Beige. I'm now applying Colourpop's Velvet Blur lipstick in the shade CA Love. The color wasn't as dark as I was hoping, so I'm using the Crayon Case Murder Matte lipstick and going over that. Overlaid on top, this shade is really pretty. It gives you a nice bitten red color. I'm now concentrating the lipstick into the creases of my lip just to give myself a powderier look. Now this is lip contouring, folks. Because my lips do not be looking this juicy ever until I do all that. So right now I'm using the Colourpop Innuendo highlighter palette. And I'm going to put on the loose on the highest point of my cheekbones. Okay, that's not doing it for me. So, change of plans. I'm going to use the Aesthe Toons Jackie Aina Le Peach Diamond Glow Powder. See, now that's what I'm talking about. Yowza. And now I'm going to pop on these bad gals, Tatti Lashes in the style TL4. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. But we'll go put some hair on real quick just, you know, spice it up a little bit. Okay you guys, so here's the finished look with the hair. I'm feeling it. I like it, it's cute. It has a certain je ne sais quoi to it. This makeup also looks just as stunning on brown eyes as well. And before I forget, I did swatch the lipsticks on my hand just so you guys can see what they look like. So first up we have the shade Y2K, which is a really nice, pretty mauve brown. Next shade I have is Hey Mr. DJ, which is a nice, pretty soft petal pink. Next up we have the shade Ciela, California Love. This shade is a reddish taupe brown. And then the last shade that I have, the shade Mesmerize, and this color is a nice warm rose shade. So anyway, this is a finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. So when it comes down to my first impressions on the items that I got from Colourpop, I've got to say I am thoroughly impressed. It is definitely, I love it. I love it so much. This is probably one of my new favorite palettes now. Especially because it has mauve shades and it has warm tones, so you can do any type of sexy, sultry look you want. From dramatic to natural, this palette is versatile, it's amazing. Can't wait to do some more looks and videos with this palette. For sure, for sure. Let's see, how much is it on Colourpop's website? Let's find out. Okay, give it to me straight, where'd it go? Okay, so this palette, y'all, okay, this is a steal. This is a steal, y'all, because this palette, only $16. 16, and it is so pigmented. Like the way the colors went on, the way they blended like butter, baby. Yes. I do have a discount code if you do plan on shopping on their website. It is MALY5, MALY 5. That's it. Nothing complicated. MALY5. And I never do matte eyes. I'm always all about glitter, but this is sultry. This look is sexy. This look is like classic. I feel like I drink wine in vineyards and do wine tastings and shit like that. I feel like I can conquer anything with this. This palette is bomb. It's amazing. Get it now. Use my code. Also guys, if there's a look you would like to see me do, or you want to learn something from me, or you want me to make a video on a specific feature or aspect of the face, go ahead and let me know, and I will see what I can do to accommodate your needs. I'll be listing everything I use, all the products, brushes, and all that good stuff in the description box below, so don't worry if you missed something or you watched this video on mute. Don't forget to hit that like button, and you might as well subscribe since you watched the video. I mean, come on now. If you're not already, please go ahead and feel free to follow me on Instagram at @OMally. Until next time, Mally Cats, have an amazing day, evening, any time of day, wherever you are.